We begin this project on English unit. We select the standard part and we create our first sketch on XY plane. We will begin this sketch profile by creating a line, and that line is going to be connected to the origin, and we make sure that this line is a center line. Next, we select the line tool and we make sure again snap to the origin and begin our horizontal line. The best we can draw these in as a horizontal position would help us to for future constraint to be speeding up. As you are sketching, make sure that you have those implied relations applied as best you can, although we can come back always add more constraint. We will select this line and make him that line as a center line, which will be used as a mirror line, and we start dimensioning. As we are dimensioning, we are selecting the center line that gives us the full dimension rather than half, in this case 8 rather than 4, and that center line allows us to do that. By selecting the center line, automatically Inventor gives you the full dimension, and recognize this is a symmetrical object. So we add all the necessary dimensions, in this case 1.75 for the height of this piece, and we will see how many more dimensions we need to have. Apparently we have 2 more dimensions needed. We will add dimension for this base, which is given 3 inches on your assignment sheet, and notice again the center line is selected and gives you the full dimension 3 inches. We need one more dimension that apparently is the center line itself. So eliminate that dimension. We can move the end point of that center line to the end of this solid line, so that eliminates by snapping that line to the end, eliminates an additional dimension. So it's fully constrained. Now before we finish the sketch, we need to mirror this, and we mirror and select all the object that needs to be mirrored, and then we select the mirror line. Mirror line is the center line in this case, and we apply, and that is fully constrained, and mirror is done. Finish the sketch, and then we need to extrude this in both directions, and this gives us our first model feature, first base feature. So that's, again, we are extruding in both directions, symmetric extrusion that helps us on the creating the future sketches.